Welcome to Car Consumer. In today's video we will explore replacement of the standard headlight bulb on a vehicle. First, consult your vehicle's owner's manual to find the exact location of the headlight assembly and to determine the type of bulb you need to replace. You may also be able to find this information online or by contacting the manufacturer. Locate the back of the headlight assembly. This is usually located at the front of the vehicle, behind the headlight lens. The headlight assembly is typically held in place by a few bolts or clips. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, you may need to remove a trim piece or other access panel to get to the back of the headlight assembly. If this is the case, use a flathead screwdriver or a panel tool to gently pry off the panel. Once you have access to the back of the headlight assembly, you should see the retaining clips, screws or a plastic bulb retainer that holds the headlight bulb in place. The plastic retainer will be turned counterclockwise to remove bulb from assembly. Once the retaining clips or screws are released, you should be able to gently pull the headlight bulb straight out of the headlight assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb. The electrical connector may have a release tab that you need to press in order to disconnect it. To install the new headlight bulb, simply reverse these steps. This is the procedure for a basic headlight bulb removal and installation on a modern vehicle and should vary only slightly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more DIY auto.